connect this printer with the Windows 10 laptop and add it there. For that, simply we use the USB cable, and you also get a setup CD from Canon. So this is for PIXMA MG2522 series. So just install this CD here and we'll install the drivers now. I'm going to show you how to do the copy with this printer. So open the top scanner lid, place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner. So we are going to do a color copy, so click on the color icon here and wait for the printer to do the copy. So here is the PDF I want to print. Now click on the print icon. On the next screen, select the printer from the drop box and click on the print icon. So I'm going to show you how to do the scanning with this printer. And the first step is open the top scanner lid. And we have to place a page here. Place a page facing downwards here on the left hand side corner. Close the lid. So go to the setting icon. Click on the devices. And click on the printers and scanners. And here we see Canon MG2522 series printer. Click on that. You get option manage printer, so click on manage. Here you see the printer again, so scroll down and look for scanner Canon MG2522 series. Click on that. Click on open scanner. We can select the file type, so we want it as a PDF, so click on PDF and click on the scan icon at the bottom. So we have finished the scanning, so click on the view icon. So here we can see, so we can reduce the size to see the full copy here. Thanks for watching.